Hi, my name's Nicki Slaugh and I'm from Quest Academy Junior High in West Haven, Utah. And I'm just here to share my love for Jared Scott. The main reason why I hired Jared Scott to come to Quest Academy is because I love his emphasis on relationships and connections. I love that when he speaks, it's raw and real. I actually met Jared through TikTok a year ago. I started following him and he started following myself and we instantly connected. I loved his message. I loved all the different angles. He can cover so many different topics. I just was super excited to get him at Quest. Something that I really liked was how he really honed in on the importance of forgiveness. I feel like as a student, adult, teacher, leader, all of us need to take time to face our fears and forgive anyone that has maybe wronged us in our life. And I love that he had those moments where everyone could stop and think about that person, and then he shared how humbling it is and how free you would feel if you forgive those people. I didn't even know that Jared was going to bring Nolan as a student success story. That really spoke to my heart too. It was really nice listening to someone else's perspective and kind of share their why and their connection as well as their focus. And I really loved the focus on speaking the truth and integrity. Again, this whole entire assembly was based on what your story is, as well as facing your fears, speaking the truth, just life lessons. And I think that's really what school should be about, is just helping kids not only learn the academics, but truly be amazing humans. So really, I just want to thank Jared, thank Nolan, thank everyone. This was so amazing, better than I could even imagine. I appreciate your raw and realness, and I definitely will have you back. Thank you so much.